you how to sync your Fitbit app with your smartwatch on your Fitbit app. So to do this, just follow and watch this video till the end. Open your Fitbit app like this, and after that, you should go and click here. So next you have to go and click on devices. Here, the last I click add device. Right now it will show you this. Make sure your location is enabled and you're sitting and try again. So I have to turn on my location and click try again. And right now I will, for example, find this one. I will click on it and click set up and click agree. And right now I will click continue and I will click allow, and I have to search, click try again, make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Okay, I have to enable Bluetooth like this, click try again now, and right now it's searching for your watch, and then you can connect it and sync it easily, guys. So don't forget to like and also subscribe in this channel, and bye.